Hi, have you seen the new report card self-evaluation module in Know My School yet? I'll take you through a quick tour of it. Here you can see it's built around a standard Ofsted style report card where you can immediately see what you're doing well and where you need to improve. You can quickly make judgments by clicking on an area and then a section and then a criteria. All the criteria are taken from the new inspections framework that was released in November. Once you've selected a criteria, the system's built-in AI will give you suggestions of what Ofsted would be looking for before you make your judgment, so you could have a look at those in more detail. If there's any that particularly interest you, you can just click on that and it'll show you what schools that complete this particular criteria really well look like. And then over here on the left hand side, you can use the success indicators to say whether or not you're exceptional, strong, expected or good, or so on. And you just move through the report card criteria to criteria, looking at the AI, looking at the self-valuation indicators, and then making your judgments. And then before you know it, your report card is completed. There's an area where all evidence can be stored and moderated. It also generates your own SEF summary report cards. These are automatically created for you. You can write the content for these, or you can use AI to help you write the content for them. We've built them to look just like the Ofsted ones as well, and these can be shared really quickly with parents and governors using this link here, and it looks great on phones and so on. There's loads of great help from our dedicated and experienced team here in Manchester, so if you ever get stuck, we're here to help you. So there you go. Take a look at 2Simple's report card self-valuation module inside Know My School. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.